chapter, The Boon of Words. Okay, this chapter has been written by the Uma Raman. Clear? So we have to know about in this chapter. The Uma Raman written this story on a famous jester. The name of the jester is Raman. Okay, so Raman was a very clever but irreverent boy, and the villagers were upset with him because he made fun of them. Okay, so in the beginning of the story we are knowing that here is the person, here is the boy that name was the Raman, and who lived in a Tenali. Tenali is a village name, and there this little guy is very funny person, funny boy, and he making fun with all kind of the person who is respectable in the village. Okay, and he was also quite irreverent and would even mock the elders of the villagers. Okay, so seeing this situation, the elders became very upset, and he decide that what they decide, they means here the person of villagers, they decide that something had to be done about the Raman. Okay, they caught and hold the Raman. They caught and hold the Raman mother, and want her mother. What they want? They want that if you have not take your son in your hand, your son will be very get trouble in his life. So he could not go around making a mockery of everything, and they also want him her that if he went on like that, he would be sent away from the village. Okay, the people of the villagers become very troubled, and so they saying such type of the statement to her mothers. After the saying, the poor woman was very upset to thinking about his son. Okay, he did not know what to do. Raman did not take anything seriously in her life, in his life, and nor did he take an interest in any kind of the occupations. But one day her mother also met a person that was the teacher, and she found him, and he telling to his son, it means Raman, what she telling? She telling that maybe he will teach you something useful, and don't beg at home until you have learned enough to earn your money. The mother statement is very strictly. Okay, and she saying to his son, if you are able to earn money, okay, and you are able to earn your living, then you came back at home. Wherever you are not success, you are not learn something about earn your living, then you do not came back. Listening this statement, Raman become very upset, but he did not become more terrible. So he went with his teachers. After 2 years, after 3 years, he staying there and start to learn. Okay, Raman was start to learn, and Raman was actually quite good at his lesson. When his mind was occupied, he even forgot to play tracks. His teacher was very happy to seeing this. Okay, but finally his teacher telling him, what he telling? He telling that his study he did not know what. Okay, he telling him that what he telling? He telling that you have to go out in the world. Okay, you have to go out in the world and seek your fortunes. The statement of the teacher to telling Raman, go out in the world and seek out your fortune. But Raman was very confused, and he say, what he say? He saying that his studies, he did not know what job he could take up. Okay, how can he face his fortune? He had no any chances to earn money. Then her father, her teacher suggested him. What he suggested? He suggested him, you have to go nearby a temple. You know very well temple. Temple is the place wherever many of the person going there and worshipping of the God. So he suggested to the Raman that you have to go nearby a temple, and also I gave you a month. Okay, and you have to repeat this mantra. You have to repeat this mantra 3 million times. Okay, he suggested him, if you recite this mantra 3 million times and you concentrated and recite it sincerely, then the goddess was appears before in front of you. So, but it is very difficult to face her. Why? Because she has 1,000 of head. Okay, 1,000 of head, and she looking very terrible. So next day, Raman was very excited to see her, and in the morning she went to the river, and there he bathed. After the bath, he wore new clothes. Then he went home and brought a plate of offering with a coconut, some bananas, betel leaves, and nuts, a sting of the sweet smelling jasmine, and a lamp of the fragrant kapoor. And he then set out to the recite the month of the temple. Okay, when he entered into the temple, he stood in front of the goddess. He stood in front of the goddess, and there he started to chanting of the month. Okay, reciting of the mantra. Okay, you know mantra is a statement that written in a Sanskrit or any language. So he started to recite or chanting of the mantra. He concentrated himself and repeated the mantra as sincerely as possible. Okay, as sincerely as possible, and he concentrated so hard he did not notice that it had turned dark. Okay, he did not notice that the sun was set. Why? Because when the morning he bathed in the river and sit a wore a new clothes and come to the temple, and there he stood before the goddess, and there he is sitting. He stood before the goddess and start to reciting or chanting the mantras. And he also making the concentration. Why? Because his teacher telling him that if you have to make concentrate and recite it sincerely, then you have to see the goddess. So thinking about this statement, he completely concentrate there and sit there, but he did not notice that it was the dark. Okay, after the dark, the priest of the temple had locked up the temple's door and gone home. Okay, and gone home. Okay, gone home. When the Raman had chanted the mantra 3 million times, the goddess revealed himself to him in all her glory. Okay, you know the glory means whenever the goddess or god will appear in the front of the any person that have a glory. Glory means a kind of the light that appears backside of the goddess. Okay, so this situation was created there, and the Raman looked her. Okay, and Raman looked at her in awe. Awe means fearly. He looked fear, but he did not afraid. Okay, he became unafraid, and he moved his head from side to side, and he tried to take in all her 1,000 heads. Okay, it means the Raman was wanted to see the goddess very deeply, and he went side to side. And that situation, the goddess become very strange, amazed. Okay, the goddess seemed, and she also pleased, and also she also seemed pleased. Why? To see a mortal who was bold and unafraid. Okay, the goddess was the we can say that it is the supernatural power, and human is the mortal. Mortal means a person that not live long time on the earth. Okay, so here the mortal. So looking the mortal, the goddess become very happy to seeing such type of the person. Why? Because that guys, means Raman was very bold and unafraid guys. Okay, suddenly a thought struck Raman's mind. He thinking about something, and after the thinking, he laughing brushed into the laughter. Okay, he laughing and laughing many times. She seeing this scene, the goddess become very amazed. Okay, and Raman was laughing until the tears streamed down his cheeks, and he had a hold on one of the temple pillars for support. It means he laughing and laughing, and during the laughing he also hold a pillar. You know what is the meaning of the pillar? Pillar is a long gun that attached to the roof and earth. He hold the pillar and catch his stomach and laughing again. Seeing this situation, the goddess become very confused. Okay, and goddess was stunned for a moment. She had never seen a mortal who was not only not terror struck by her form, but also had the temerity a laugh at her. Before before of this kind of the situation, she did not never see such type of the mortal person who laughed at her. Okay, and she became very confused, and he saying to him that how dare you to laugh at me. The god is saying to the Ramas, what she saying? She saying that how dare you to laugh at me. The Raman tried to control himself and finally uttered these words between gust of laughter. Okay, first he laughing much and much time, and after the control his laughing, he start to saying something. Okay, what he saying? I was just wondering, he gasped, what do you do when you have a cold? It means when you have got the cold, then what is the condition of you? Okay, he also explained that whenever a mortal find too difficult, okay, a mortal find too difficult. How too difficult? Because with one nose and two hands, the mortal has a one nose and two hands, and he did not control his cold. Then you have a thousand of the head. Then how can you control your cold? Okay, so this is a very funny moment with the goddess and the Ramans. Okay, and he's saying to how on earth do you manage with 1,000 of rummy nose? Okay, yeah, saying that how can you manage your rubbing nose with the two hands? The goddess was furious, and she raised all her 1,000 heads and looked down the haughty at the Raman. When he looking the Raman, this is the mortal person, which is the human being, and he is saying, and he laughing at me. The goddess became angry. Okay, and he telling that you will earn your living as a jester. He cursed him. She cursed him. Who cursed him? The goddess cursed him. What kind of the curse? He saying that you will earn your living as a jester. Okay, you are earn your money as a jester, and many of the person you have to telling about a wicked kavi. That is the occupation I gave you. The god is saying to him. Okay, listening this statement, the Raman was not upset. Okay, and oh, that great! He was that is the an interesting occupation. After the hearing the statement of the goddess, the Raman saying that it is the very interesting occupation. Whichever you have say it, it is a palindrome. Palindrome, Vikat Kavi. Okay, Vikat Kavi. The spelling of Vikat Kavi, Vikat Kavi, Vikat Kavi. It means palindrome. It is a palindrome word. If you say this side the Vikat Kavi, and if you want to say this side, then here is the also Vikat Kavi. Both of the side the word is similar pronunciation, Vikat Kavi. Okay, it is the palindrome and it read the same left to right and right to left. Okay, if you want to read right side or left side, both are the same pronunciation. Clear? So this is a very interesting fact. Okay, the goddess was very amazed at Raman's wit and made him see a joke even in a curse. Okay, after the seeing the present mind of the Raman, the goddess became very impressed. Okay, and he also impressed at the wit and made of his sea joke. Okay, then she was a little modified and sad, and he also modified his curse. And after the modifying her curse, he's saying that, well, since you have such a sense of the humor, and you will be jester at the court of king. Okay, in the beginning he accused him that you are a jester and you earn your occupation, earn your living as a jester. But when he looking the witty of the jester, witty of the Ramans, he modify his curse and telling to him that you have to gesture of the court of the king and make a name for yourself. Okay, you are the gesture of a court of the king and make your name. Okay, and that is the exactly that happened. Raman went to the become a court gesture of a king Krishna Dev Raya. You know, it is the Krishna Dev Raya was the king of Vijayanagar, that was situated in the South India, and he was the very famous king. Okay, so here is the Raman became famous jester of the king Krishna Dev Rai, who was the king of Vijayanagar and became very famous as Tenali Raman for his joke and witty answer. I think that time in the north side the Babar ruled over the all north areas of India. Okay, and this is a very important fact that the South India have a many kind of the king and they also ruled there. So, but most of them, the Raman Krishna Dev Rai was very famous, and the Raman also faced during the Babar's rule. Okay, and he went to the Babar's court. Okay, so such type of the situation, the Raman was very clever but he remained wise. Okay, and he also going with his teachers and learning more and more, and after the suggestion of his teachers he going to the temple and there he chanting the mantra, and there Raman prayed for many hours. He did not notice that it was the dark, and after that the goddess revealed himself to him as all his glory, and suddenly looking her, the Raman became very pleased and brushed off laughing, and the goddess got angry seeing such type of the situation, and she cursed the Raman. Okay, but when he looking the intelligence or intelligent answer or the witty answer of the Raman, he became very impressed, and she became very impressed, and she also modify the curse as the boon. Okay, and Raman was very happy with her curse because she had given him as a interesting job. Okay, the goddess was as amazed that he occupation blessed him with fame. So I think you know very well this story, and I summarize it one by one all line, and I hope you all understand this story. This is a very interesting and joyful story. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next time.